Welcome you all dear students on the online classes of standard 10 under NS classes. Dear students, today's topic is trigonometric ratios. So we are going to learn what is trigonometry first of all, then what is the relation between the angle and the sides of it and what are they called. So first of all, what's a trigonometry? Trigonometry. This is made by two words, that is trigon means triangle and metry. Metry means measurement. Trigonometry means measurement of triangles. But in standard 10, what we are going to study, that is very important, we are going to study the acute angle of a right angle triangle. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC, where angle A is denoted by theta. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now what we see here, that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and in which angle A is theta. A is an acute angle, this acute angle is theta. So what is the relation between the sides of the triangle and the angle? So we are going to learn it. The first of all, what is sine? Sine theta, we say sine theta, what does it mean? So for your better understanding, I would like to make you understand that the acute angle what you have taken, theta, the side opposite to the acute angle, that is perpendicular. It means BC is the perpendicular and side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Now sine theta and what is left here, perpendicular, you could understand, hypotenuse you could understand, the side opposite to the acute angle what we have taken, that is theta. This side is known as perpendicular, the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, and the left side AB, what is left, that is base. There is a relation between these two sides, that when we say that this angle is phi, suppose this angle is phi. So for this angle, AB is the perpendicular and the side opposite to 90 degree is CA is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse never changes. Either for this angle or for this angle, the hypotenuse never changes. Then what is left here? For this angle, CB is left. CB is the base for angle phi. So now we are going to study sine theta. So we say, what is the sine means what? So we have to learn that sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Sin theta is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos theta is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular and base. Now 6 trigonometric ratios are there: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta. Cosec theta will be just opposite of it, just you reverse it, h by p. Then sec theta is equal to h by b. And cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, that is b by p. Is that clear to you? Once again, I would like to make you understand, dear students, that this angle is theta and the side opposite to theta is perpendicular in this triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. In class 10 we are going to study, in class 10 I have already made you understand that we are going to study the acute angle of a right angle triangle. This acute angle theta, the side opposite to it CB is perpendicular, side opposite to angle B is hypotenuse. This hypotenuse never changes and base and perpendicular changes each other, when the angle changes. Suppose when angle C is taken, for this angle the opposite side AB will be the perpendicular and hypotenuse will be AC and BC will be the base. The 6 trigonometric ratios are there: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Trigonometric ratios means the ratio of the two sides. What is called perpendicular by hypotenuse is called sin theta. Sin means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse for the defined angle. The defined angle is theta. Therefore, this P will be BC by H is AC. And cos theta is B by H, base by hypotenuse. The base is already given here, AB by AC. And tan theta P by B, perpendicular is given BC by AB. H by P cosec theta, just it will be the opposite of it. We can write here AC by BC. Sec theta is H by B. The reciprocal of H by B will be AC by B is already given here, AB. And cot theta, that is B by the AB by P, BC. P is given here, BC. In short term, sometimes most of the teachers give you a trick to learn all these. What is the trick? That is the trick Pandit भोला प्रसाद हरी हरी बोल. What does it mean? This is a trick for sin theta P by H. For cos theta B by H. This B by H. and tan theta P by B, and just the reciprocal of all these three will be cosec theta P by P will be H will be up and P will be down, so it will be H by P. Sec theta will be the reciprocal of cos theta H by B, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, that is B by P. So now it is clear, and I think that you could have understood it well. Pandit Bhola Prasad Hari Hari Bol, P by H, B by H, P by B. What does it mean? Sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. So this is up to here only today, and tomorrow once again I will be available with some more things related to trigonometry. Thank you very much.
Like, subscribe NS Classes, and press the bell icon for more updates.